Hi traders, today we'll understand on how to use two parallel channels to identify opportunities in the market. Channels help us trade and see in the direction of the trend. Let's go through a step-by-step guide on trading parallel channels. First, identify the prevailing trend by connecting swing highs and lows on the chart. Draw parallel lines above and below to outline the channel. We only want to trade in the direction of the trend. For uptrends, look to buy off the lower channel line during pullbacks. In downtrends, short sell rallies that hit the upper channel line. Set stops just outside the channel lines. And target the other side of the channel for profits. Always wait for confirmation before entering at the channel line. Let the price confirm the level before pulling the trigger. Stick to your risk management and use the channels as guides for timing entries. Trading channels creates a high probability strategy. By sticking to signals within the channel, we increase our chances of success. Alright traders, this is how you use parallel channels on your own charts to catch trades with the trend. Follow these guidelines for improved day trading. I'll see you in the next video.